A pickup truck attempting a last-minute wrong turn crashes into a car, causing it to flip over. A car stopping slightly late at a red light is hit by a speeding vehicle from behind. A motorcycle collides with a car making an uncontrolled crossing. A construction machine suddenly tips over and fails to avoid an accident. A truck driver making an uncontrolled turn cannot avoid colliding with a car. A car running a red light causes an accident. A car giving way to a pickup truck triggers a chain collision. A motorcycle hits a pedestrian walking on the road instead of the sidewalk. A truck suddenly crashes into a white car. A speeding car on a slippery road loses control and crashes into a pole. A pickup truck speeding on the main road crashes into a car that suddenly stops. A truck ignores a car cutting in front and continues on its way. A car entering the road recklessly fails to avoid an accident. A motorcycle riding beside a bus suddenly crashes into a car pulling out in front. On a rainy day, a car suddenly entering the road is unable to avoid being hit by a truck. A speeding bus crashes violently into a motorcyclist entering the road. A distracted driver crashes into two cars at once. A motorcyclist crashes due to a driver suddenly opening their door, but narrowly avoids being run over by another car. A red car, with no time to slow down, cannot escape the accident. A speeding truck tips over while taking a sharp turn. A car making a fast turn crashes directly into a pole. A car running a red light causes two other vehicles to crash as well. A driver trying to make a last-minute turn ends up colliding with a truck. A careless motorcyclist cannot avoid crashing into a car. A speeding garbage truck narrowly avoids a major disaster. A car entering the road recklessly collides with another vehicle, flipping over and skidding. A driver hits a pedestrian walking in a crosswalk. A driver failing to slow down at a crosswalk crashes into a cyclist. A car speeding through a crosswalk hits pedestrians crossing the road.